Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Ghost 2x skin. First, you'll want to understand the main ways exclusive items become available in the game. This often involves checking the in-game store for direct purchases or special bundles. Also, keep an eye out for any unique seasonal events or limited-time challenges that might offer it as a reward. We'll cover each of these methods in more detail to help you secure this sought-after cosmetic. The most straightforward way to acquire the Ghost 2x skin is often through the in-game store. Make sure to check the featured section, as popular items frequently appear there. Sometimes, this skin might be part of a larger bundle, including other cosmetic items like weapon blueprints or emblems. Store inventories rotate, so consistent checking, perhaps every few days, is key to catching it when it becomes available for purchase. Many exclusive skins, including the Ghost 2x, are often tied to special in-game events. These events usually run for a limited period, perhaps 2 to 3 weeks, and require players to complete specific challenges. Successfully finishing all event objectives could unlock the skin as a reward. Always check the official game news and social media channels for announcements about upcoming events and their unique rewards. Another potential avenue for the Ghost 2x skin is through a premium battle pass. While not always the case, some highly sought-after cosmetics are unlockable by progressing through a battle passes 100 tiers. If you missed it, developers occasionally re-release popular skins in future seasons or special store rotations. Keep an eye on community discussions and official announcements for any hints about its return.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.